Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to do a question on fluid flow. Kindly subscribe as we continue doing the question together. We are told that a pipe of radius 6 millimeters is connected to another pipe of radius 9 millimeters. If water flows in the wider pipe at a speed of 2 meters per second, what is the speed in the narrow pipe? So what we should know here is that there is something we call the volume flux. And as long as the flow is continuous, then we usually say that volume flux is uniform, or volume flux is constant. So we usually say that volume flux is given by area times velocity. So volume flux is given by area times velocity. So we're going to equate the volume flux in the narrower to the volume flux in the wider side of the pipe. Therefore, if we assume the volume flux is area times velocity, as we have said, so in the narrow we are going to use the area there times the volume there. This should be the same as area on the other side and volume on the other side. We can call them area and volume too, respectively, such that now because we are given radii and not the areas, we can first of all get the areas of these pipes. Therefore, area is given by pi r squared, because the pipe of course is circular, then times v1 should be the same as pi r squared and v2. So now we can substitute here, whereby we say pi 22 out of 7. In the narrower side we have 6, so we have to make it SI units by dividing by 1000, then we square, times a velocity which is unknown. This is supposed to give us pi r squared, r is 9, divide by 1000 to make it meters, and we square, then times a known velocity, which is 2 for that side. Therefore now we can cancel out the common terms, like pi is appearing on both sides. The denominator here, which makes radius as a unit, is appearing in both sides. So we can have this one as 36 v equal to 81 and 2, such that to remain with v, we can divide 81 multiplied by 2 over 36. 81 times 2 over 36, and that gives us 4.5 meters per second. So this is going to be the velocity in the in the narrower pipe. It has to be greater than in the wider pipe. So that is how we calculate the question on volume flux. Thank you for following. Kindly subscribe and share this link with your friends.